Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of x from this given nice equation. We have 30 over 8 raised to power x is equal to 4. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have the given equation 30 over 8 raised to power x is equal to 4. At this point, let us cross multiply. This is 30 is equal to 4 multiplied by 8 raised to power x, because this is over 1. 30 multiplied by 1 is 30. Now let us divide both sides of this equation by 4. We have 30 over 4 is equal to 4 multiplied by 8 raised to power s over 4. This 4 cancel this 4. Then we have 30 over 4 is equal to 8 raised to power x. Then you can see this can be written as 8 raised to power s is equal to 30 over 4. Then we have 8 raised to power s is equal to 30 can be written as 15 multiplied by 2 over 4 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2. These 2 cancel these 2. 8 raised to power x is equal to 15 over 2. Now let us take the log on both sides of this equation. We have log 8 raised to power s is equal to log 15 over 2. Take note of this, that if you have log a over b, this is equal to log a minus log b. This can be written as log 8 raised to power s is equal to log 15 minus log 2. Then if you have log a raised to power b, this is equal to b log a. Then the whole of this can be written as s log 8 is equal to log 15 minus log 2. Let us divide both sides of this equation by log 8. This divided by log 8 and this divided by log 8. This log 8 cancel this log 8. S is equal to log 15 minus log 2 over log 8. If you split this, this is same thing as log 15 over log 8 minus log 2 over log 8. S is equal to log 15 over log 8 can be written as log 2 raised to power 3 minus log 2 over log 2 raised to power 3. S is equal to log 15 over this log 2 raised to power 3 can be written as 3 log 2 minus log 2 over 3 log 2. This log 2 cancel this log 2. This is same thing as log 15 over 3 log 2 minus 1 over 3. s is equal to log 15 can be written as log 5 multiplied by 3 over 3 log 2 minus 1 over 3. X is equal to log 5 multiplied by 3 can be written as log 5 plus log 3 over 3 log 2 minus 1 over 3. Then let's split this. We have S is equal to log 5 over 3 log 2 plus log 3 over 3 log 2 minus 1 over 3. This is the same thing as S is equal to 1 over 3 multiplied by this log 5 over log 2 can be written as log 5 base 2 plus 1 over 3 multiplied by this log 3 over log 2 can be written as log 3 base 2 minus 1 over 3. Then you can see that the LCM here is 3. S will be equal to log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 minus 1 over 3. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 30 over 8 raised to power s is equal to 4. And this is 30 over 8 raised to power s is log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 minus 1 and all over 3 must be equal to 4. 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 bracket this log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 minus 1 over 3. That is the denominator here. Then this 3 cancel this 3. So the whole of this equation become 30 over 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 minus 1 must be equal to 4. Now this is the same thing as 30 over 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 3 base 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power minus 1 must be equal to 4. So if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. Then the whole of this equation can be written as 30 over, this is 5 multiplied by, this is 3, then over 2 raised to power minus 1 is, this is over 2, must be equal to 4. Then this is same thing as 30 over 15 over 2 must be equal to 4. Then if you transform this, we have 30 over 1 multiplied by 2 over 15 must be equal to 4. Then 15 here 1, 15 here 2. This is, we have 2 multiplied by 2 must be equal to 4. And of course, 2 multiplied by 2, this is 4, is equal to 4, which is true. Then let us solve this problem using another method called method 2. And in this case, we are going to make use of calculator. Let us call this method 2. We have the given equation 30 over 8 raised to power s is equal to 4. Here we want to use the method of natural logarithm. Then this is the same thing as 8 raised to power s is equal to 15 over 2. Remember, 15 over 2 is equal to 7.5. Then this is, let us take the natural log on both sides of this equation. We have ln of 8 raised to power s is equal to ln of 15 over 2. Then this is s ln of 8 is equal to ln of 15 over 2 can be written as ln of 15 minus ln of 2. Now let us divide both sides by ln of 8. This divided by ln of 8. This divided by ln of 8. This ln of 8 cancel this ln of 8. X is equal to ln of 15 minus ln of 2 over ln of 8. Now S is equal to ln of 15 is 2.7081 minus ln of 8 is ln of 2 is 0.6931 over ln of 8 is 2.0794. And if you use your calculator very well, this is the same thing as 2.015 over 2.0794. S will be equal to 2.015 divided by 2.0794. We have 0.9690. This is the value of S if you use your calculator, and you can solve this in less than 1 minute. Then let us check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. To check, we have the given equation, which is 30 over 8 raised to power s is equal to 4. And this is the same thing as 8 raised to power s is equal to 15 over 2. We know that 15 over 2 is equal to 7.5. Then 8 raised to power s is 0.9690. This is equal to 7.5. Therefore, the left hand side 7.5 is equal to the right hand side 7.5, which is true. Then if you want to leave your answer in natural logarithm form, from s is equal to ln of 15 minus ln of 2 over ln of 8. If you split this, this is s is equal to ln of 15 over ln of 8 minus ln of 2 over ln of 8. This is same thing as ln of 15 over ln of 8 is ln of 2 raised to power 3 minus ln of 2 over ln of 2 raised to power 3. S is equal to ln of 15 can be written as ln of 5 multiplied by 3 over ln of 2 raised to power 3 can be written as 3 ln of 2 minus ln of 2 over 3 ln of 2. This ln of 2 cancel this ln of 2. S is equal to ln of 5 multiplied by 3 can be written as ln of 5 then plus ln of 3 over 3 ln of 2 minus 1 over 3. S is equal to ln of 5 over 3 ln of 2 plus ln of 3 over 3 ln of 2 minus 1 over 3. This is S is equal to 1 over 3 multiplied by ln of 5 over ln of 2 plus 1 over 3 multiplied by ln of 3 over ln of 2 minus 1 over 3. So the whole of this can be written as ln of S is equal to 1 over 3 is common, bracket, we have ln of 5 over ln of 2 plus ln of 3 over ln of 2 minus 1. Then this is the final answer in terms of natural logarithm form. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.